What was your initial investment?
I invested just 5,000 rupees when I started. I got like 36 stock of my product, 36 units were there. Within 3 days, all the stocks were went out of stock.
So currently this month, how much we cracked? Because we had great Indian festival, right?
Last month I have done 1,80,000. This month it's almost 1,50,000, I think.
So currently, are you continuing your existing job or business, or how's it so?
I'm doing this business only. I really like about your course is that in ads course, PPC, that course is really awesome. That has helped me, like, compared to all the other YouTubes and all the other things, your course is really awesome in ads course.
Hey everyone, today in Hall of Fame interview we have Twaha. So welcome. Just give a small intro about yourself, like where you doing before Amazon selling and why did you kickstart your Amazon FBA journey?
My name is Mohammed Twaha. I am from Udupi, Karnataka. Actually, I have done BCom graduation. Also, I have done aviation and hospitality management. But I'm not really interested in doing jobs. So I wanted to do business always. So I was looking for a lot of opportunity. I was doing this POD business also, but I didn't get any result from that. So I was searching for FBA, and I got your video, and I joined your course. Then I started this Amazon FBA business.
Okay, so what was your initial investment?
I invested just 5,000 rupees when I started. Within 3 days, all the stocks went out of stock.
Okay, you started in when did your Amazon account go live?
February.
Okay.
February 2023 February.
That's great. So now, everyone's starting a business. So, I have also been through failures and through success. But always, whenever you get the first order, it will be exciting. And you said me in 3 days, you went out of stock.
Every day, I got 1 or 2 orders. Every day, I started to get 1 or 2 orders. It was really exciting. Like it was, I got to know, this is Amazon is like great. We can make real business out of this Amazon.
Okay. That's really great. So currently, are you continuing your existing job or business, or how's it so?
I'm doing this business only.
Okay. So how did family support you? That's very important. I honestly feel. But even though you said you have invested only 5,000, but just want to understand about your family support. Was that encouraging, etc.?
Yeah. Of course, my parents actually really support all of these things, like doing business. But he has not done any business. He is doing a job, like he's a contractor. So he always supported me. Like whenever I ask any to invest money on this business, he always supported me. He gave me like how much ever I want. He has supported me always.
So what would you say would be the proud moment for you? For example, for me, when I started, there were a lot of critics from my family itself. Like I still remember, my dad was supportive. I won't say no, but he said me once, like, you are just selling diapers. But now today, when I see the time, right now, he's very proud. Like he's like, in 10 years, you have done a wonderful job. So were there any proud moment for your family and you want to share that?
There is no particular moment like that. Right now, I'm not so big. I consider I'm not so big seller right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Now I'm like reaching 8 lakhs rupees. But I feel proud of myself only because working from home only I have done so much, right? Still I have to go far away. So I'm expecting very good results also. Also, very soon I can make my parents also proud, like by achieving really big from this business.
Super. I am very sure that you'll be really doing it. So coming to our, modules syllabus, like in what way it actually helped you to kickstart your business? So can you just brief about that also?
Actually, I would say your course is really awesome. Like I have took a POD course, which was like 2 times more than your course. 2 times more than your course. But still, I didn't get any result because of like some mentors are like they just try to sell their course. When we buy their course, then they will like they have got their money. Then they will stop like connecting with their clients or their customer. But in your case, we get always help from your team. Whichever doubt we have, we can directly ask from your team. And every week there will be a Q&A session also. That also helps. So in your course, that's one of the main benefit. Also, I really like about your course is that in ads course, PPC, That course is really awesome. That has helped me. Like compared to all the other YouTubes and all the other things, your course is really awesome in ads course. I really like that.
That's great. That's great. I have students from 2020. There is everywhere there is a support system attached to it. Of course, we give unlimited support in FB, but personal interaction I am also looking, and we are improving on that portion also. So
Okay.
definitely, I believe you will be an inspiration to such people, and you can do good numbers.
Yeah.
So any last thing that you want to share with people who are not taking action? Any small piece of advice from you?
Action is very much like we always believe that like if we don't get any orders, what my money will be wasted or something like that. If we think like that, our money will be wasted. We can invest small and we can check whether it works or not. We can do that. Also, in my case only, I always thought that I won't get any orders, so I didn't take any action. When I took action, I got orders. Now I can say this is my business only. Permanent business, I can say like that. If I'm earning 2 lakhs per month, that's a good business, right? Like this is just a starting. I'm not in 1 year. After 2 3 years, I can expect really good, right? So taking action is very, very important. For whomever is not taking action is very important.
That's really great to have you on our Hall of Fame, and it was a very simple and transparent interview. And I'm very sure that you will reach good numbers. So maybe after this call, we will have an interaction how you can boost your sales. I'll give you the roadmap, etc. And for those who are watching this, if you also want to kickstart your Amazon FBA journey from the comfort of the home, without any office setup, without leaving your existing job or business, you can definitely check out the free masterclass link along with this video and do sign up for it and book a call with us so that we can check out whether we can help you in kickstarting your Amazon journey, and you can also be your own boss.